that one, their constitution does not allow them to sign documents at night. Number two, on the issues that they introduce that were not initially in the document.
At the last minute, the Doctors' Union came with other issues that were not discussed yesterday in Parliament. And even for the outstanding issues, we had agreed that they will be determined by the court.
When you have negotiated and you have had almost 99.9% of the issues in compliance, then I don't think 0.1% can make you still want the strike to stay on. We had initially said that we will not victimize the doctors who have been on strike. We still remain committed to the cause. However, it is not possible to stay like that forever. And therefore, in the event that we still do not have doctors back to work, we cannot let our people to continue dying. We will have no choice but replace them.
To allow us to sort out this matter, next week, we shall ask the judge to allow us to intervene in all the measures that can be. One is he can go ahead and compel the doctors to report to work.
They were asking to standardize consultants at Job Group Q. Some of the counties have actually already put consultants at Job Group R, which means if we have to harmonize, they will come down. So we have discussed all this. But I think it's not fair that the intransigence of one party to the negotiations and the internal politics holds Kenyans hostage. This we will not accept.
And also we invite
na tugithie na mbere ni ati governor wa county ya Nairobi niwe Johnson Sakaja ni agiteteire ikinya riake ria gucenjia urugamiriri wa mathibitari ma level 4 county ini ino ya Nairobi akiaria mbere ya kamiti ya Senate gie utungata wa thirikari cia Matuura. Sakaja ni akiugite ati ikinya riake ria gucenjia urugamiriri wa mathibitari maya reumanire na mateta ma utungata moru mathibitari ni maya.
I don't know when the last time you got a case of Mamalusi. When I was in Senate, there was always a case of Mamalusi in the hospitals. I changed all the boards in the hospitals and introduced a new leadership system of CEOs. So my level 4s have a CEO. Because a medical superintendent is a doctor. They know medical issues. But who is thinking of customer service, cleanliness, infrastructure, supply chain, availability of medicine, human HMIS in technology? You need a CEO. And the transformation I've seen in 6 months by just having CEOs in Mutwini, Bagathi, Pumwani, and Mamalusi is transformational. But of course, you'll not hear that story. The story you'll hear is the politics. Nairobi, sometimes we become victims of politics. And people never see what is being done. Because it's a coveted position. Possibly after the presidency, the next elected position that is as coveted, I don't know which one it would be. But possibly Nairobi. And so everyone and their mother have a story about the city. But you see, what I've decided to do, Chair, is to focus on the work. And that's why you've never had me answering politically anyone. I've just stayed focused. I see the results. And as a leader, you should never be afraid to be misunderstood. If you keep doing the right thing and you focus on it, they'll understand later. They will start seeing the fruits of it. They'll see the increased revenue. They'll see the roads being done. They'll see health.
Tukironga riboti ingi na ni ati nao aria maikaraga na mawathe maya kuguneka kungikinyanĩria